Today, 1,319 students were conferred degrees by the Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, in the presence of Dr. Rahul Bhattacharjee, Regional Director Ignou, and BDR Tiwari, Special Guest of Honour. Speaking at the occasion, the Regional Director Ignou, Dr. Rahul Bhattacharjee, informed that out of 1,319, 334 are from Bachelor of Arts, 9 from BCom, 37 from Education, 8 from Library Information Science, 623 from MA program and from the postgraduate. Addressing the gathering, Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, said it gives him happiness and pleasure to be part of the Convocation Day of Ignou, who not only serves students to achieve their dreams in India, but with the broad branches, it helps students universally. He congratulates and wishes all of them who have proven that despite hardship in various fields, they have come with flying colors in academic studies.
समर्पण का परिणाम है, इसलिए आप बधाई के पात्र हैं। वास्तव में आप सभी के लिए उतना ही गर्व और सुखद अनुभूत का क्षण है जितना कि यह आपके अकादमिक काउंसलर, गाइडों, शिक्षार्थी, सहायता केंद्रों के पदाधिकारियों के परिवार और माता पिता के लिए उच्च शिक्षा के लिए आपकी